Hey chemistry kids, it's Miss Morel, and today we are going to look at this reaction and find the reaction and what kind of reaction it is, write out what happens, and also balance it. So let's take a look at that. When we look at this, we can identify quickly that it is a single replacement reaction with A plus BC. And so when we do that, we know that they're just going to be trading places. So our first step is to identify who's positive and who's negative. So chlorine we know has a -1 charge. We know that potassium has a +1 charge and bromine has a -1 charge. So that is helpful. So now we know that these two negatively charged molecules are going to trade places on the product side. So let's go ahead and write that out. So we now know that bromine is going to be by itself just like chlorine was. So Br plus, and next we'll have potassium have a new partner. So K, and it's going to be partnered now because it's bonding with chlorine, Cl. Now, next we need to take a look at each one and make sure that we are good. Bromine, we can quickly identify, is a diatomic molecule, which means that it always occurs in twos. So remember there were 7 of those: bromine, chlorine, iodine, hydrogen. All of those occur in twos. They occur in pairs. So we have to put a 2 there because it's diatomic. Then we look over here at our KCl, and we know that potassium has a +1 charge, chlorine has a -1 charge. So if we were to crisscross them, like we did when we were ionic bonding, we would quickly know that we don't need to do anything. That would just be a 1 and a 1, and we don't have to write those. Then, after that, we need to balance this. So let's write down our elements. We have Cl, K, Br, and then recall that we write them in the same order on this side. So Cl, K, Br, even though they're not in the same order. Then we just count them up. So Cl, we have 2, potassium, we have 1, and bromine, we have 1. On this side, we have 1 chlorine, 1 potassium, and 2 bromines. Now we need to fix it and balance it. So looking at this, we have 2 bromines on this side, but only 1 on this side. So let's go ahead and fix that by putting a 2 right here, which then makes it so this is 2 and this is 2. Now remember, we don't erase, we merely just cross them out. That way we don't accidentally lose any. Then we need to fix this side. So let's put a 2 right here, and we have a 2 and a 2. Now we can see that it's balanced. We need to check to see if we can reduce it at all by dividing all of the coefficients by anything. So remember that these that don't have anything in front of them, they're just a 1. So there's nothing we can divide the coefficients by to make it equal just 1. So it looks like we have completed this problem and balanced it. So we did a good job. Hopefully you all are taking good care. Hopefully you're working on your tic-tac-toe projects, and hopefully you are washing your hands and staying healthy and safe. Take good care. Miss you all. Come see me in Google Meets if you have questions. I would love to chat with you. Have a good day.